Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be swatching the Rose Gold collection from Fantasy Nails. I'm just showing you guys how small the box is. It's pretty small. I was really surprised how small it is for how much I paid for. I think it was about $20. So here is the little containers. I did get this collection off of eBay. So I'll try to leave the link down below in the description box, and I will let you guys enjoy the video. By the way, let me know which one was your favorite down below in the comment section. See you guys until next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye.